This is Ukraine.
Hey, that's ESN Ukraine over here, and we've just got to the village in Chernihiv region that was damaged by Russian troops in 2022, and we gonna repair it together with Repair.Together. You can see one of the 12,000 buildings that were damaged or destroyed in Chernihiv region by Russian troops. Meet its owner, Mrs. Katerina. Fortunately, she had already evacuated when the Russian shell landed and burned out her parental house. Her neighbors lost their roofs as well. Repair.Together is a project launched by a few friends in 2022 when Ukrainian forces expelled invaders and we all realized the scale of destruction. The idea is to organize a massive cleanup by volunteers that come from the whole country and make it fun. How? Wait for it. Now it's time for lunch. This is neither the first nor last Toloka. This is 26th with more than 100 people. Repair.Together organizes it literally every weekend, and you can join them as well. When the first day had been done, we had a wonderful dinner under the sky. And finally, behind me you can see a classical building where all the cultural events of villages happens. But Repair.Together changed the life of this place. After the work is done, let's take a look what happens in the evening, in the night. Time to sleep and time to work. It could be fun to clean up, but knocking down walls is the next level of joy. The thing is that even if the walls survive the fire, they lose their bearing properties due to the high temperature and must be dismantled. But bricks can be reused, lean construction in work. Next week, new volunteers will continue our work. Find out more on Repair.Together.com. Enjoy your day and donate for Ukraine!